Good morning guys. Kagigising lang namin guys. Pero si Samantha at saka si Shelton gising na sila. Kami lang ni Sawyer ang kakagising lang. So, ang sweet ng dalawa guys. Sasatingin ko sa iyo guys. Naglalaro yung kuya niya. Habang kandong naman niya si Sawyer.
No?
Yan. Okay. Ang sweet nilang dalawa. Did you guys eat yet? No?
Yeah, I went downstairs and I ate cereal.
Oh, okay. How about your Sisi?
No, I'm not sure if she ate anything.
Oh, okay. So guys, may nabili ako guys na na parang splash pad sa sa TJ Maxx no nakarang araw. So ito sila guys. Oh. Yeah. Look. Oh, 'di ba? Ang saya. Ang saya nila, guys.
Mom, can you get my towel?
Come on, go. Oh. Samantha put a sunscreen.
Did you put sunscreen?
Malamig nga lang ang tubig, pero mainit naman, so okay lang siya. Hindi ko pinalakasan yung tubig, guys.
2, 3, 4, 5. Want to stick alive?
Go, Sawyer, go!
It's actually warm now.
Go, 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 go!
It's actually warm now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh! Come on. You wanna get out?
No.
Are you done? Are you done? Hey! Sawyer, are you done?
No, done.
Oh, ang sarap ng buhay ni Sawyer, oh, kasi warm yung tubig niya. Ito naman ay malamig, kaya umalis muna sila. Yun, kay Shelton warm din. And then yung dalawa sa swing. Wow! Oh, wow! Wow! Okay, go get it! Go get it, Sawyer! Go get the toys! Oops! You wanna get out now? No? Napagod si Sawyer, guys. Nakatulog siya, oh. Naglaro pa yung tatlo. Yung isa, guys, is kapitbahay namin. Pumunta dito para maglaro sila. Tapos na sila maglaro sa labas, guys. So, ayan. Meron akong nilutong pansit. Yung pansit bihon ko walang repolyo kasi wala ako. So, ang ginawa ko na lang is sibuyas dahon guys ang nilagay ko, tapos may barbecue, tapos may cucumber salad. So ito yung ulam namin guys. Pa si tawag ito Samantha, naligo pa.
Mom, is this yours?
Yeah, you can have it. Naligo pa si Sam, kaya handa muna ako ng plato. Sobrang napagod sila guys kakalaro sa labas ng splash pad. So ayan, si Sawyer nauna na. I-ready ko lang yung tubig. Where is your water, Sawyer? Shelton, put this water, please. So, guys, ayan, kumakain na si Sawyer. Yummy? Yummy? Kagagising lang din niya, guys, kasi napagod din siya. Nauna siya, nag-stop maligo. So, ayan, kakain na muna kami, guys. Ayan. Ready na ang aming hapunan.
Dump this out?
Yeah, the hotdog. But the thing is, there's no
Yeah, there's ketchup. It's right here.
bread.
You don't have hot dog buns?
No, burger only. Yummy.
Hi, Papa.
Makain sila ng popcorn.
Yes.
Dito kami guys sa Dairy Queen.
Can I be Emma?
Ibili kami ng ice cream. Antok na si Sawyer. Nanood sila ng Trolls. Hintay muna kami sa aming. Dito kami sa drive-thru para bumili ng Dairy Queen.
Did you get the medium one?
So naka-order na kami guys.
No, I got it for me.
How much is it?
23.
23? Only. Oh, what did you order?
4 ice creams.
What is it called?
3 blizzards and 1 peanut butter coffee.
Oh, that's mine. The peanut blizzard perfect.
No, not peanut buster, not blizzard.
What is it?
There's no such thing
Peanut
as peanut
perfect?
blizzard. Peanut buster.
Oh, okay. I didn't want to say anything because I don't know how to pronounce it. It's hard to pronounce. Say hi guys. Say hi guys ba? Hi guys. Hi guys.
Say hi.
Should we go to the...
So, hintay lang kami guys sa aming order. Nakabayad na kami.
Shells? cheese. And let me get that part right.
Is that yours? Oh, what is Kokoy? Gonna taste.
Oh, they don't have
Let them
the...
taste it some. Itong order niya. Yung akin wala pa. Yummy, yummy.
He's looking.
Yum, yum. Open your mouth. Is it good?
Hey,
You wanna try it yours, Shelton? Let him
Yummy.
try it.
That is good.
I told you it's
Let him
excellent.
try it. Small. My goodness, a big mouth. Yum. Look, he likes it. He likes it, Shells. Give him more. Shells, give him more. Big mouth, big mouth. Yummy.
Appreciate it. Thank you. You're welcome.
Ito yung aking guys.
Park over here and faint.
I don't think he's alive.
Harap. Why he's crying? Once more. Why still awake? Did you brush your teeth? Get up and brush your teeth. Get up now. Hey boy, what's chilling you said? I know that chilling means
I'm chilling here for a second because
chilling for a second and then you won't get up and then go to sleep without brushing your teeth, boy. I'm about.
Every night I brush my teeth.
Oh,
Promise.
promise ka diharon.
Promise.
Go now. Yeah.
I put the drawing right there.
Oh, that's awesome. Drawing ni Sam kanina, guys. Ayan. What is this?
Apples.
Apples. Ayan. Ano na yan yung ano niya. Kwarto niya. Talagang nilintay niya ng paglilinis yung kwarto niya, guys. Wala nang kalat kasi dati makalat to eh. Ito pala yung ano niya. Bago niyang ano, vanity. O diba, ganda ng vanity niya. May pa, buti pa siya, mayroon siyang ganito. O diba, ganda. Off na natin yan. Ganda ng kanyang vanity table. Good night, guys. Get up, brush your teeth now. Ako, guys, kakatapos ko lang maligo. So, tutulog na rin ako. So, dito kami sa bed ngayon ni Sawyer, guys. At higa lang kami. Tapos na si Ate Sa brush ng kanyang teeth. So, maya-maya, natutulog na kami ni Sawyer. Yung asawa ko, ano pa sa office, gumawa ng report sa store niya. So, ayan. Go sleep now because tomorrow you have school.
Okay, love you.
Love you. Love you, brother, Sisi. Love you, Sisi.
You have a baby boy, so cute.
Bye. So, good night, guys. Thank you for watching.